So the situation is, right now we're at time 0. And then we're going to start depositing $1,000 at the beginning of each year for 20 years. So all these are deposits. So we're depositing money into a bank. And then at time 30, we're going to receive a perpetuity that pays P dollars. So the first payment of this perpetuity is going to happen exactly at time 30, and it's going to go on forever. So the problem is, what is the value of P? So notice that we're not given the interest rate I, so we're going to have to find the value of P as an expression in terms of I. So how do we do that? So obviously we need to equate the present value of both these schemes, so let us do just that. So paying $1,000 at the beginning of each year for 20 years. So that's basically annuity due, right? So the present value of that is equal to 1,000 times A double dot 20, because there are 20 payments. And then for the perpetuity. So the $1,000 we're paying into the bank, the perpetuity is going to pay back the money, is going to pay the money back to us. So what is the present value of this perpetuity? Well, the first payment is going to start at time 30, and it's going to go on and on forever. So what is the value of this perpetuity evaluated at time 30? Well, that is equal to P times 1 over D, right? 1 over D is the value of a perpetuity due, and obviously this is a perpetuity due if we evaluate it at time 30, and then we're receiving P dollars each period, so we multiply this by P. But then this is the value at time 30, so we need to discount it back to time 0. So we need to take the P over D back to time 0. So we discount this by 30 years. And so there we have it. This is the relationship, so all we have to do now is just to rearrange some of the terms to find our P. So A double dot 20 is equal to this, right? And so obviously the D's cancel out. And then I'm going to multiply both sides by 1 plus I to the power of 30. So V30 and 1 plus I to the power of 30, they cancel out. So we're left with P is equal to 1,000 times 1 plus I to the power of 30 minus 1 plus I to the power of 10. And there we have it. This is the final answer. So this is just a quick example to show you how to manipulate the perpetuity and the annuity dues symbols, and I hope this helped. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.